Hello and welcome to Dave's Model Workshop. Today I'm showing you my latest miniature building, which is this. It's a Birkenstock shop. I enjoy saying that. Birkenstock shop. This building was my latest commission. Couldn't show you in my last video because it was secret, but it's been delivered to its new owner as a surprise gift now. And yeah, this is it. It's quite a lot of fun to make. We've got some solar panels on the roof. I wish they worked. We've got, this lovely Victorian frontage, and then down the bottom here we have got some interior. Let's see if we can get some focus there. So, got stuff in the inside. Yeah, I'll show you in a second. I'll show you some photos of the interior. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Got little swings. Check this out. Watch it swing. Let's get some focus first. Watch it swinging. Didn't work. Hang on. There it goes. You see this one swinging? That amuses me far more than it ought to. So yeah, this was a lot of fun to make. It's scale-wise roughly about 1/25, I'd say. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. It's not something I would have chosen instantly myself, but I love the challenge of making it. And yeah, it's been a really enjoyable process. I will show you some photos of the build. So I started off with my blue foam. I pretty much make everything out of this blue modelling foam. It just carves really beautifully. It's great to work with. And yeah, got the basic shapes, built the window frames, and then started on painting. And once you start painting, that's really where it all comes together. Just so much more alive and so much more real once you get a bit of paint and weathering on there. The floor of this place, it's amazing. It's got this really, really cool gap in it. And inside it's like a museum, so it's got old artifacts they found when they renovated the building, like bottles, a baseball bat. It's really cool. There's big letters that spell out Birkenstock on one of the walls, so I made them from hand. I scratch built some of them. It's a slow process making letters, but we got there. Luckily I only had space to do 3 of them, and there you can see them. I also really enjoyed making that fire hydrant, that fire hose. Lots of fun. It's a really interesting building. The interior shop display windows have got like greenery in them. They've got grass and plants growing there. It's really nice. I like it. A couple of empty shoe boxes that I made. Very cool. I like those. I'm very proud of those empty shoe boxes. And lots of little Birkenstocks made out of modelling clay. Just air drying modelling clay and then painted up. And of course the solar panels, which are a trade secret. And I will also show you me with it outside the actual real building. I'll show you that now. Alright, here we go. Thanks for tuning in, guys.